So to demonstrate Super Takedown, I brought our Ceptor X in amber and our Ceptor in red-blue. Now to activate Super Takedown, you'll use your green Super Takedown cables, and those will override any warning modes you have activated. Or you can activate your Super Takedown mode independently as well. Now let's go over dual memory. So here I have Power Mode 1 activated by using my red power cable. Now to activate Power Mode 2, I'll use my brown power cable. Now Power Mode 2 will override Power Mode 1 when both cables are activated, or I can activate my modes independently as well. Now you do have the ability to program these units in sync like you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you have 3 pattern speeds to choose from: slow, medium, and fast. And to change pattern speeds, I'll use my yellow flash pattern cables. So here's slow, medium, and then fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a demonstration of how to program your units in sync or alternate sync, check out our how-to video on the product page.